Good morning everybody, and this video is just going to be a short update video. I've been on holiday and I made a little error in my calculations and didn't actually set up enough videos to cover my time away, and the scheduling put them out a little bit too early, so I haven't uploaded anything for a week or so, and unfortunately I'm back at work on my day job, so I haven't been able to record anything new. What's in the pipeline? Well, I've got an amp build which I'm in the process of sort of putting together, a little stereo valve amp, which should be quite a nice little project. It's going to be, let me think, it's either going to be a single valve per channel or 2 valves per channel. I'm going to be using some old British EL or ECL 82s, I think, or ECL 86s. I'll see what I've got in stock, but I'm going to be using something along those lines for the pre and power stages, so that should be quite an interesting little small amplifier. What else have I got? I've got a little FM transmitter kit which came in from China while I was away. Quite a few bits and pieces came from China. I'm still in the process of sorting them out. I did think about doing an unboxing mailbag type video, but most of the time, you know, would you really want to see the rubbish I buy from China? You know, I put enough of it on the channel, so it's you know, I'd rather sort of show things individually and do something with them, as opposed to, you know, hey look, this is what I bought, I'm taking it out of an envelope. You know, that sort of thing might appeal to some people, but I think, you know, quite honestly, that would be pretty boring. Also, you've obviously noticed that I am actually driving at the moment, because I'm on my way home from work, and I thought I'd put together something at least to show that I haven't forgotten my channel. I want to welcome all the new subscribers that have come on in the last few weeks. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. And I hope you find things interesting. If you have any suggestions, in fact, if anybody has any suggestions for what they'd like me to do, then, you know, please put a note in the comments. You know, if there's questions you want to ask about any of the videos, by all means, just, you know, drop comments in videos, and I try to get through to all of them. And yeah, just generally, I can catch up with whatever people want to do. As I say, I've got the amplifier build which I'm sorting out. I'm just trying to get a circuit diagram together so that I've got something a little bit more solid than, hey, you drill this hole, here's where the valve goes, and this is how you wire it up. And it's just you know, doesn't really, you know, it's very pretty to look at but doesn't tell you anything. I'd rather have something that people who wanted to copy it and build up could do so. So yeah, I'm going to work on that. The little FM transmitter, I am still waiting for some other bits to come from China. Again, more sort of transmitter receiver type things. I am hopefully going to dig out one of my ex-military VHF radios and just run through a quick operation of that. I might or I might not open one of them up, but you know, they are getting a bit fragile now because the circuit boards are, you know, getting on for 30-35 years old, and the flexible strips are getting a bit fragile. So we'll see how it goes. You know, that's one of the other projects I'd like to do. I've also got a new camera which should give me close-up video. I've been trying out a bit of software while I've been sort of having some downtime at work, trying out some software on my laptop, and you know, hopefully I'll be able to do some better close-in stuff rather than just using the fixed DSLR. And of course, I've still got to move that switch over that appeared in the last video and make the room quieter so that hopefully the audio will be better. So they're the things that spring to mind instantly. Obviously, if I think of anything else, I'll just make a video of it. But thanks very much for watching my videos, and hopefully you'll enjoy many more things to come that I do. As I say, comments, suggestions always welcome, and yeah, look forward to making more stuff for you. Thanks very much, and we'll speak to you all soon. And we'll see you all soon. Thanks very much. Goodbye for now.